There's a question I ask every leader before we discuss a difficult conversation. Where on the curve are we right now? Because the answer changes everything about what needs to happen next. I call it the conflict speed curve, and it maps onto 5 stages of unresolved tension. Tension, avoidance, interpretation, resentment, and confrontation. At the level of tension, the issue is recent, the relationship is intact, and a direct conversation resolves the issue quickly. At the level of interpretation, the issue has calcified into a story about who the other person is, and you're no longer solving the original problem. At the level of resentment, you're rebuilding trust before you can even get to the content. Each stage costs more than the previous stage. If you're at tension, have it this week. If you're at the level of interpretation, name the story first. If you're at resentment, the first conversation is about the relationship, not the issue. Early is compassionate, late is costly. The curve always moves in one direction unless you interrupt it. So go have that conversation and identify where you are on the conflict curve.